Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to talk about this master lockout tagout, and this is the 410 model. I get lots of questions on our lock picking on Reddit about this lock, and so I figured I'd do a little video and maybe answer some questions. First of all, when you do pick this lock, do not turn the plug 180 because the pins will fall out inside the housing, and like I've heard some people say, you'll have a rattle. And but anyways, let's put this thing in the vise and we'll talk about picking it. I'm gonna use my Peterson pry bar. I believe this is the 40 thousandths, and I'm going to use an 18 thousandths jam. But let's go ahead and throw this thing in the vise and we'll pick it. Got this lock from Jeff Post, so thanks Jeff Post. And all the locks that I have seen like this are the same. In the 5th pin spot is a lightly serrated pin. This has 1 serrated pin and 5 spools. So we're going to use light tension, and we're going to start with that serrated pin because I'm sure that'll be our first binder. If not, we'll have to look around, but I'm sure it will be. There we go. I got to click on 5. And I click on 6. Getting a little bit of counter rotation on 4. And I got to click out of 4. So I'm gonna look around and see if I got other pins that'll give me counter rotation. And got to click off a 3 there. Gave me a little bit of counter rotation and then a click, and now looks like 2 is giving me some counter rotation. And I'm not sure if I got that set or not. Yeah, it feels like I must have got it set. So now we're back to 4. And 4 is giving me a little counter. And it's set, and we got to turn on the core there. So now we're just looking for what's holding this up here. Okay, counter rotation on 2, feels like. And if the pins kind of go quiet, you can bounce around and just feel for one that starts talking, and that one's 2. And there we go, and it's open. And there you have it. And I can't gut this lock because it's permanently sealed, but that's the lockout tagout by Master. Thanks guys. If you don't have consent, keep your pick to yourself. Don't use any of this information to break the law, and have a good day. Alright, thanks.